So if you've clicked on this video, it's because you're looking for some stocking stuffer ideas that you can crochet for this year. And I have 16 of them on this table in front of me, and I can't wait to share these ideas with you. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and on this channel is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, if you have found it to be helpful, will you please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So we're going to start with keychains. Okay, so I have crocheted this little jellyfish and put him on a key ring. I think this is just an adorable gift idea. You can, if you're into amigurumi, there is so many different options that you can choose for little animals that you can just throw on a keychain. Maybe personalize it for the person that you're making it for their favorite animal that you could crochet. And then second is this chapstick keychain. It's really cute. You just stick your little chapstick right inside. Always have it ready for those cold winter blistery days where your lips get really dry. Always on hand, always accessible. Really cute idea. I like this. I'm going to put this on my own keychain. And then for those who love hanging things from their car mirror, which I do, and I have one of these hanging from my car mirror, is this adorable little sunshine. If you had this hanging from your car mirror, your rearview mirror, you can't help but smile when you see this little ray of sunshine. Really cute idea. I like that. Okay, so next for the plant lovers is this adorable little tiny hanging plant. You can also put this hanging from your mirror, or it can be hung up anywhere in your house, in a dorm room, in a bathroom. Really cute idea. And it fits in a stocking for a stocking stuffer. Then for those book lovers, I have these really cute flower bookmarks. Now I love Dean Koontz, and these make really awesome bookmarks. What you would do is you would take the flower and you would put it in so that the back side of the flower is up and just draping over the edge, and the little leaf is at the bottom, so that when you close, you now take this flower and you fold it over, and it is just the most adorable little bookmark. Really cute stocking stuffer idea. Next, we have these cute little adorable stockings that you can put in a stocking, or you can hang it up if you want to somewhere else, on a tree maybe, and you can stuff so many things in here. For an example, I put a nail polish in this one, and in this one is a perfume, a little bottle of perfume. So, you know, use your imagination, put some different things in here, and like I said, hang it on your tree or put a stocking in a bigger stocking. Then we have the awesome, really easy and simple scrunchie for those who love putting their hair back in a pony or in a bun. And these are really, really easy. You just buy some elastics and crochet either single crochets or double crochets and tie them together with a piece of yarn, and it makes an adorable little gift. Next, we have this adorable little wallet. If you really don't want to carry around a purse or have a big wallet, you're just running to the store really quick, you can put a key ring on it, put your keys, just what you need for money or a card in here and call it good. You can also like stick a gift card inside, or you can slip some money in there. 2 different little pouches on each side, so that when they open it, it's not going to be just a wallet. They're going to have some money and a gift card, or one or the other or both. Really neat idea. Fits really cute in a stocking. I really love this idea. I think it's really, really cute. Okay, I made 2 of them here. This is just a plain granny square. And this one is multicolored granny square. I get 2 different colors, 2 different squares. And in here is my AirPods. This is a really cute AirPod holder that you can just take your purse. You can wrap it. I personally have this little thing, this little ring right here, but you can also put it around the handle. So it has this little loop right here, and you would put this part in through so that it's nice and closed. And then all you do is I'm going to slip mine through this little ring. And then you take the actual case and put it through this little handle, and voila, there you go. You can either have it hanging on the outside, or you can tuck it on the inside. It's a really cute idea. Next is this little tiny pouch. Has a little bow, and for that special someone, you can put anything you want to. You can use it as a gift card holder if you want. You can put money in it. You can, put any other little idea. But for this video, I thought it would be a really neat idea to show that you can put special jewelry box for that special someone in this little pouch and tie it back up in a little bow. You can make it in any color you want for that person's favorite color. You can make it red because it's Christmas, and then she can use it, or he can use it for other things after, and it fits in a stocking. Next is this sleep mask. It's a really cute idea. I myself like this because I'll go to bed early and I don't want the door completely shut because it will get too hot in the bedroom. My husband's still outside in the living room watching TV. I can see the light, he can sleep in any light, but the light bothers me. So this is nice and soft, though it doesn't put you completely in darkness, it's enough so that it dims it down enough so that you can go to sleep and the light isn't bothering you. I found this online, this next idea, and I just thought it was the most adorable thing. Look at this. See this little bear? Guess what he does? It makes it look like this little bear is wearing glasses as it's holding your glasses. It is so adorable. I love that idea. So I only have a few items left to share with you, but I just wanted to throw in there really quick that if you're enjoying my channel, there's 2 ways that you can actually show your support and how much you are enjoying my videos. I would really, really appreciate it. And that is to either become a member of my channel, and that link is in the description box, or you can, on my main page of my channel, there is a join button that you can click on, and then it'll explain the rest of what is included in the membership. And it's only $4.99 a month recurring payments, but you can cancel at any time. And if you don't wish to do that, you can buy me a coffee. And that link is also in the description box below. And you never know, I might give you a shout out that you bought me a coffee. So I really appreciate your support, guys. All right, so let's get back to these last few items. Okay, so these are Christmas coasters, and at Christmas time, it would make a wonderful little gift, and it's a perfect size. If you follow the instructions of my pattern, It's the perfect size. This white circle in the middle is perfect for the cup, so that the only thing that is showing is the outside border. Okay, so it's a perfect size for a coffee mug. Makes a really cute stocking stuffer idea. And again, sticking for in the kitchen with coffee mugs is I have this set of 5, or you can just make one. But these are cup cozies with the matching coaster. So we're going to go ahead. You can mix and match the colors if you make a set. But we're going to go ahead and show you. You just put it over the mug's handle and wrap it around and place it on the handle. Really cute, neat idea. And then you have the coaster that it sets on. And I just love that idea. And last but not least, I made 2 different sizes. These are boot cuffs. And the reason why I made 2 different sizes is because I wanted to show you the difference of how they would fit for different boots. Up here I have a taller boot that I used this wider cuff on because it goes up over the calf, and that is the bigger part of the leg. This one here I made narrower because this is for the bottom part of the leg for a shorter boot. And you would just put this on your leg, put your boot on, and fold the cuff over your boot, just like shown in these pictures. And it helps prevent any snow or anything getting down into your boots, and you can fold it up and stuff it in a stocking. It'll fit perfect in a Christmas stocking. If you are looking for other gift ideas, maybe you can click on this playlist and go on over, and I have a whole bunch of videos for different gift ideas that you can choose from to watch. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of these stocking stuffer ideas, and if maybe you have some other ideas that I might be able to crochet and include in my next gift idea video. And let me know if you decided to make any one of these. And until next time, bye.